Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Harley FX shocks. These are a budget shock. We obviously do progressive as well. These are pretty good value for your money. But if you just got an FX, you don't want to do crazy speeds and crazy miles, these are very good quality. In fact, possibly made in Taiwan and made better than most of the Chinese crap on eBay. But as you can see, beautifully made, fully covered, perfectly match your FX. These are a 12-inch. We also do an 11-inch as well. But if you want a replacement shock for your Harley FX, give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Full range of progressive shocks, right from the 412s up to the 970s. Also your soft tail shocks, you know, your monoshocks, you name it, we do it. Full monotube insert kits, and also, of course, the lowering kits, God help us, and other things you might want to destroy the handling of your bike. So if you're interested, give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com or .eu, the new site, which hopefully we get rid of this horrendous shop factory crap we've had for years, and go to Pressure Shop. Thank you.